Wednesday. Happy National Beer Day. And if you want, take our quiz on Facebook and at WOKB.com. What kind of beer are you? Most of us, I think, were craft beers in the newsroom. There were a couple of, I think there was one light and there was one dark. But take the beer quiz and raise a glass. Although it's early enough, we're still drinking coffee. On this Wednesday, and as we turn into the end of the week, it's going to be turning more mild each day and gradually a little bit more humid. Today's still perfect. It's a 10 on the weather meter. We're going to be just into the lower 80s, 70s at the beaches. Mike Burrish is tracking an uptick in rain potential for the end of the week and the weekend, about 20 to 30% coverage or so. So it's not like it's going to be a washout weekend at all. If you're planning to take the family to the Clay County Fair, for example, you should be able to get a number of dry hours in. When the pattern turns a lot more wet just ahead, and we will update that in detail for you during Jacksonville's morning news every 15 minutes in the First Alert 5-day forecast. President Biden is speeding up the vaccination effort availability for all adults, now setting April 19th as his target date. Locally, a brisk pace has been set for the mass vaccinations of 18 plus, and in some cases 16 and 17-year-old with the Pfizer vaccine. Just in the first 2 days, for example, at the Regency Square Mall's state-operated site, 2,500 plus vaccines were doled out on Tuesday, and more than 2,700, almost 2,800 on Monday, the first full day that the age eligibility was lowered to all adults. We're exploring that in depth for you at WOKB.com as we see these mass vaccination efforts continuing for the next month plus, especially at the Gateway Mall, we found out yesterday through May 26th. Have a safe and enjoyable Wednesday. Join us on Jacksonville's Morning News.